What's the one thing every busy parent needs but rarely finds? A family vehicle that doesn't feel like a compromise. Today, we're breaking down 6 outstanding Volkswagen family cars for 2026 that deliver safety, versatility, and that signature German driving feel that smart buyers absolutely love. Volkswagen Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas ranks number 1 among 2026 family SUVs. This 3-row powerhouse offers cavernous interior space perfect for growing families who refuse to sacrifice comfort. Its key features impress across the board. The 2.0-liter turbo delivers 269 horsepower while achieving 21 city, 25 highway MPG. Or step up to the 276 HP V6 for serious towing capability. Safety comes standard with IQ.Drive, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Inside, you'll find up to 96.8 cubic feet of cargo space, a 12-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, and available panoramic sunroof. What truly sets the Atlas apart is its class-leading third row. Legroom adults actually fit back there without complaints. That spaciousness shines in daily carpool duty and cross-country road trips alike. Benefits extend throughout ownership. The robust build quality handles daily abuse from kids and gear, while the intuitive infotainment keeps everyone connected. Strong resale value protects your investment, and the confident highway manners make every drive feel premium rather than pedestrian. With prices starting at $38,065 MSRP, it offers exceptional 3-row value for large families needing space without the luxury markup. Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport ranks number 2 among 2026 family SUVs. This 2-row alternative offers bold coupe-like styling perfect for style-conscious parents who still need utility. Its key features balance form and function beautifully. The standard 2.0-liter turbo produces 269 horsepower with 21 city 25 highway MPG efficiency, while the available V6 bumps output to 276 horsepower. Safety tech includes blind spot monitoring, rear traffic alert, and park assist. The sloped roofline still delivers 77.8 cubic feet of cargo space, plus heated front seats and wireless charging keep modern families happy. The Cross Sport stands out by proving you don't need a boxy SUV to haul your family in comfort. Its athletic stance turns heads in school pickup lines while maintaining genuine practicality. Benefits include easier parking in tight urban spaces, a more engaging driving character than typical family haulers, and lower step-in height for small children. The premium interior materials resist wear beautifully, and the streamlined design actually improves fuel efficiency on highway commutes. With prices starting at $36,845 MSRP, it offers distinctive style and versatility for fashion-forward families. Next up, the family wagon that European buyers have loved for decades finally gets its American moment. Volkswagen Golf GTI. The Volkswagen Golf GTI ranks number 3 among 2026 family cars. This legendary hot hatch offers thrilling performance perfect for driving enthusiasts who refuse to give up their passion for practicality. Its key features deliver serious excitement. The 2.0-liter turbocharged engine puts out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds-ft of torque, achieving 24 city, 34 highway MPG when you're not exploring its 5.1-second 0 to 60 capability. Safety includes adaptive front lighting, dynamic road sign display, and proactive occupant protection. The hatchback design provides 19.9 cubic feet of cargo space behind seats, Harman Kardon audio, and configurable digital cockpit displays. The GTI shines in its unique position as the only performance car that genuinely works for daily family duty. Its compact dimensions navigate city streets effortlessly, while the sport suspension and limited slip differential deliver weekend thrills. Benefits include teaching kids that driving matters, maintaining your identity beyond parent taxi, and surprisingly affordable insurance rates. The iconic plaid seats hide stains brilliantly, build quality withstands enthusiastic driving, and the manual transmission option preserves driving engagement rare in 2026. With prices starting at $32,790 MSRP, It offers unmatched driver-focused value for small families. Think the GTI is too small? Wait until you see how the next option expands the formula. Volkswagen Golf R. The Volkswagen Golf R ranks number 4 among 2026 family cars. This all-wheel drive performance machine offers 315 horsepower, perfect for adrenaline-seeking parents who demand year-round capability. Its key features push boundaries responsibly. The turbocharged 2.0-liter engine generates 315 horsepower and 295 pounds-ft of torque, launching to 60 mph in just 3.9 seconds, while the 4-motion AWD system maintains composure. Safety systems include torque vectoring for stability, performance brakes, and comprehensive driver assistance. The subtle body kit conceals 19.9 cubic feet of cargo space, Nappa leather seats, and a head-up display. The Golf R sets itself apart as the ultimate sleeper school run by morning, track day by afternoon, snowstorm by evening. Its dual personality never compromises either mission. Benefits include confidence in any weather condition, exclusivity that avoids cookie-cutter SUV status, and investment-grade desirability that protects resale. The sophisticated AWD system teaches without punishing. Build quality matches premium brands costing thousands more, and the understated design ages gracefully. With prices starting at $46,890 MSRP, it offers supercar-adjacent thrills with genuine daily usability for passionate families. Up next, a family hauler that proves electric power and practicality aren't mutually exclusive. Volkswagen ID.4. The Volkswagen ID.4 ranks number 5 among 2026 family vehicles. This all-electric SUV offers zero-emission driving, perfect for eco-conscious families ready to embrace the future without range anxiety. Its key features redefine electric expectations. The standard 62 kWh battery delivers 206 miles of range, while the 82 kWh pack extends that to 275 miles with 201 horsepower output. Safety includes IQ.Drive with Travel Assist, Emergency Assist, and Park Assist Plus. The dedicated EV platform creates 64.2 cubic feet of cargo space, a 12-inch touchscreen with intuitive controls, and bi-directional charging capability. The ID.4 leads with genuine accessibility, no EV expertise required. Its familiar SUV proportions ease the transition from gas, while the instant torque and one-pedal driving actually improve the daily experience. Benefits include eliminating gas station stops forever, reduced maintenance costs that family budgets appreciate, and federal tax incentives that improve affordability. The quiet cabin reduces road trip fatigue, over-the-air updates add features remotely, and the environmental impact aligns with values many parents want to model. With prices starting at $41,160 MSRP, it offers accessible electric mobility for forward-thinking families. Real question: would you choose the practical ID.4 or the thrilling Golf R for your garage? Tell us below. Volkswagen Tiguan. The Volkswagen Tiguan ranks number 6 among 2026 family SUVs. This compact crossover offers right-sized versatility, perfect for urban families who need capability without the bulk. Its key features maximize efficiency and space. The 2.0-liter turbo produces 184 horsepower while achieving 23 city, 30 highway mpg, outstanding for the segment. Safety includes IQ.Drive standard across all trims, featuring front assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The available third row provides occasional 7-passenger capability, while the 73.4 cubic feet of cargo space handles Costco runs effortlessly. Digital cockpit and app connect keep tech-savvy families satisfied. The Tiguan excels in urban environments where larger SUVs feel cumbersome. Its tight turning radius and manageable dimensions make parking stress-free, while the optional third row solves occasional carpool emergencies. Benefits include lower operating costs than larger alternatives, easier maneuverability in crowded school zones, and German refinement unexpected at this price point. The proven powertrain promises longevity. Available 4-motion AWD handles winter weather, and the compact footprint fits older garages. With prices starting at $28,245 MSRP, it offers exceptional entry-level value for budget-conscious families. That wraps up the 6 best Volkswagen family cars, mixing spacious versatility, advanced safety, and genuine driving enjoyment. Now like, comment, share, and subscribe.